Hello everyone, my name is Don with the Physics Instructional Resource Team, and I want to talk to you a little bit more about static electricity. If you watched our previous video, using the rods and furs to generate static electricity through the triboelectric effect, then you'll know that friction can cause charge imbalances when certain materials are rubbing against each other, and it creates a static electric charge. This device here is called the Graff Generator, which essentially takes that concept to the next level by distributing all of that charge that's being created through friction onto this dome. And so essentially there is a rubber belt in here that is rubbing against an acrylic roller at the top, and that acrylic roller is distributing the charge being generated onto this dome. And it can create very large amounts of charge, potential differences of up to 50,000 volts. So you can see that I actually can turn this on. It'll start to generate lots and lots of charge, and I can show it charging and discharging over and over by bringing this grounding rod close. You should be able to see this streak of light, which is the electrons moving to the grounding rod and ionizing the air. And it's important to note that all of the charge being generated and distributed onto this dome are negative. So there's a bunch of negative charge being uniformly distributed here. And it's important to note that because like charges repel each other. So I can show you exactly how that looks by putting this pom-pom on the top of the Graff generator here. And this pom-pom basically gives electrons individual paths to leave the dome. And so a bunch of electrons will try to get out of each strand here, and so each strand will be electrically charged. And you'll see that they're nice and bunched right now, but when we turn the Graff generator on, they want to leave each other. And I can even turn it off here, and this distribution kind of stays there. And now the electrons are kind of just in limbo, waiting for some path out. And again, I can just ground it here.